So let's get into the world of text editing in Canva. So if you tap on text there, you can select the text template. So if you grab one of the corners, you can put it in. You can use a increase, decrease text at the top. So if you tap on this little arrow pointing upwards there, splits the text template up. So now you can see I've got that piece of text highlighted. So if I tap on the text box there, text color box palette, and then move that little ring over to there, you can see the color of the text has changed. So if I overtype that there to salsa, you can see it's not very obvious what the text is. So I can go to effects, tap on it, and make it more visually impacting. I can increase the thickness of the text as well. I can change the color. You can change the text type as well. You can animate the text. So when you select when the text, you can do all sorts with it. You can also preview it at the top there to see if you're happy with what you've done. If not, you can always undo all the work you've done. So if I press T on my keyboard, you can expand it. Once you've got it up there, you can change the color of the text. As with the templates, you can also do things like this. Bear with me. You can move it round as well. That's the world of text editing in Canva.